What is bioinformatics? Bioinformatics uses computer science, mathematics, and statistics to understand biological data at large scale. The objective is to understand biological data such as DNA, RNA, protein to explain their structure and functions. The areas of bioinformatics include sequence analysis identify patterns, functional and structural regions, and gene functions from DNA, RNA, and protein sequences. Whereas structural bioinformatics is used to predict 3D structures of biological molecules such as proteins and used to predict their functions. Bioinformaticians can provide insights from biological data to understanding of life sciences such as medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology. These scientific breakthroughs of bioinformatics. Genome sequencing. The Human Genome Project was a major milestone in bioinformatics. It provided a comprehensive map to understand human genetics and its role in medical science. Bioinformatics may help us to design personalized treatment plans by analyzing patients' genetic makeup, understand disease risks, and identify potential drug responses for developing personalized medicines. Bioinformatics may help us to predict protein structures from amino acid sequences, which is very crucial in understanding protein function and designing drugs. Scientists can identify potential drugs by analyzing databases of chemical compounds and their target proteins. Using comparison of genomes of different species, we can identify common genes, their evolutionary relationships, and their genetic variations across species. Transcriptomics and gene expression analysis have provided deep insights into the regulation of genes under different conditions and contributed in our understanding of cellular processes and disease mechanisms. Bioinformatics has helped in managing and analyzing handling massive amount of data generated by next generation sequencing technologies revolutionizing genomics research. Bioinformatics had significant impact on our understanding of biological systems through computational analysis and research. Thank you.